Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a very useful extension, Google Chrome extension. So if you do want to watch YouTube videos in a preview player, in a floating player, then this Google Chrome extension is very much popular. So go to the extensions tab, simply search for this floating player picture in picture, floating player for YouTube. So if you are specifically watching YouTube videos and you do want a player which can float in the background, and you can even do other work while watching the YouTube video. So it's got almost 100,000 installs. It's a very popular extension. So click on add to Chrome. So once it get installed, it will appear in the section right here. And now let me just activate this. So it will appear like picture in picture. So where it is? Yeah, so this is in, you can see that now the icon appear right here. So now you can go to any video on YouTube. Let me open my own video and show you the example. So once you open any kind of video, so as you see, let me open this my own video right here, and let me show you the example. So once you open the video, you can click on this button, this icon, click on that, and now the video will appear something like this. You can actually play the video. Just click the play button. So now the video can play in the background. You can switch the tab, and as you see, the video is playing. So this is very useful if you are watching a YouTube video or a song. So it's very useful. You can actually switch tabs and the YouTube video will be right here. So it will actually save you a lot of time. You don't need to every time go to that page. So you can instead install this extension, picture in picture floating player. So now the YouTube video is like floating and running it in the background. So it can be any song, it can be any video that you are watching. And now if you do want to open it back to tab, you click on that and then it redirects you to the actual video. So it's very simple. You click on the actual extension, then it actually appears directly in the background, and you can even watch the video while you switch to other tabs. So I think that this extension is quite useful. We all use YouTube, we all watch videos, so you do need to actually use floating player sometimes in some cases. So I think that definitely install this picture in picture floating player for YouTube. This is the name. We have got 100,000 installs. Definitely check this out.